Ultra Vegito Full of Power, or Ultra Vegito Immortal version. Would that be an accurate thing to call him? Maybe. So this is like that fan fiction sort of Dragon Ball. So I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. We're kind of close up on his face, right? Not all the hair I could fit in, but we'll fit in as much as I can. We'll start with his eyes. Center point here. Come up. We're going to start with his frown in the middle. So it's the best way of doing that frown. I go, yeah, we'll just join it. So we'll go up, curve it around, right? Down. And we got the side of his head here because he's no eyebrows. So it's just this sort of line like that. Right, and then the other side is the same. So it comes down from here. Curves around, right? We'll go up, down, around roughly. It doesn't have to be the exact same. Right? Right, like so, right? And this goes under hair, so you don't really see much of this. We have like another sort of frown sort of area here. And there's a line that goes up the middle. So then the eyes. So we'll go a short line, a long line coming from, where did I put it? We'll go here. And then you join these together. The curved line like that. We go the same thing over this side. So we'll go a long line. Short line, sorry, long line here, right? And then we join it together. Like so. Just those square sort of Dragon Ball eyes. Now he's looking up in the image that I was referencing, but I'm gonna do him looking down, I think. So how big do I want his eyes to be? They're pretty big. They're purple with black around. So what'll I do? Let's go. Let's see what we can do here. Right, like that, and then the pupil looking down as well. How's that look? Yeah, that's pretty good. So we do the same thing over here, starting roughly the same place as the eye, so he doesn't look sort of cross-eyed and stuff. Like so, and then the pupil. Roughly like that. So then we're going to give him like some extra, another sort of wrinkle on his nose there. And then the actual nose, so we have a little line here, right? But because he's looking down at us and we're looking up at him, we can actually see the tip of his nose. So what happens is this goes across, down both sides. And then it comes to a point just here in the middle, like so. Sometimes they have nostrils drawn in, so I can't see them in the picture, but I'm going to just draw them in like that. And they draw in the shadow on the side of the nose as well, so it kind of goes out this way and up to there. Check marks underneath his eyes, so these kind of things. Like that. And he's smiling with teeth showing. So we do this kind of just a smiling mouth. Like that first. And then it's going to go down the side. And back up and underneath. And then we'll give him like just teeth coming across here. I'll make this just a little bit pointier on this side. Like so, and then like a shadow underneath here. Strong chin, real square, down and up. And then we'll go for the jaw. So it goes diagonal. This way it stops there because it meets his hair. Say on this side, maybe we can see more of it. So we'll go this way. And then it changes direction about where his mouth starts. So it starts to curve up the side of his head. And then we'll meet like his sideburn just kind of here. And this becomes his ear. With big ears in Dragon Ball. Down like that. And because he is Vegito, we have an earring, the Petora. So let's curl it around here. And there's these little sort of balls hanging down, and then a large one here with a silver cap. And then you can add more ear lines inside. Easiest way to start, I always think, is just this sort of letter J sort of thing. And then you can build it up, adding more and or less. You know, it's kind of up to you. So we can't really see his ear on the other side because he's got like a big piece of hair that sticks down here. So say his fringe. So his fringe is like, starts kind of in the middle here. Well, or is it off to the side? It's kind of, the part is not perfectly in the middle, so we'll go here. And this comes down, back up, around, down to there. So this is like the part in his hairline here. Another hair spike comes down across his face, back up this way. And some texture lines under this. And the ear on this side, so sticks out again, pretty big. The Petora, you can see just the where it's hooking onto his ear, and then the large circular part here. Like so. He does have like blood coming down from his eyes. So we'll just go here with that. And a lot of blood on his forehead. Here, coming down from his eye here. Okay, and then the rest of his hair. So goes down kind of behind his neck, right? So we'll draw his neck first. So neck muscles here. Right, kind of go in towards the chest, and he's an Adam's apple and stuff there. His trapezius will come down this side, and this trapezius will go down that side. And then his hair kind of comes out from behind his shoulder. I guess we got to draw his shoulder as well. So shoulder, big shoulder curve. Like that. Like, and the width of his shoulders is about head width, like the width of his face. 3 heads normally for a male, but in Dragon Ball characters they're really muscly, so it can be a little bit more maybe. Like a tiny bit. Width of his face. Yeah. Roughly though. So then the hair. So spikes out, he's real long hair. It's kind of like mix between Super Saiyan 3 and Super Saiyan 4 hair. There's like one that sticks in the middle here. Same on the other side, kind of. Right, and then this will go up and off the top of my page. So you could like Google Super Saiyan 4 kind of hair maybe, and you'll see how that finishes. Probably like a big one in the middle. Usually like a big one in the middle. I just wanted to focus on like his face a bit more. More hair spikes coming down here. Like that. And of course that goes higher and probably goes down his back. But then you can add texture lines all over, and to do that you just follow each hair spike with these details. Oh, you can see some hairline in here, I think. And then right, so it's like all the texture I'm going to do for now anyway. And then we'll get his anatomy in, right? So center line for his chest, it's always a good place to start, just there. The character's facing forward, so it's not curved or anything. And then the top of the chest muscles will go out, like so. And then the top of the chest muscle here. And chest muscle goes out around here. Goes up towards the middle, back down around the other side. Same on both sides. We are symmetrical now, more or less. So it goes out here into there. Like some chest muscles there, maybe. That line's a lit. I made a mistake there. I'll erase that in a minute. Went a bit far with that chest muscle. Although, yeah, well, it's not too bad. Right, and then chest muscle lines here. And then the arms. So we got like his bicep, tricep sort of section. So bicep here. And the shoulder muscles like here. And the bicep as well. And you got like shoulder muscle lines, tricep. Down like so, bicep there. Same pretty much over here. So this is like deltoid, but becomes bicep as well. Down this way. And then tricep sticks off down there. Like deltoid muscle lines. Like so. And then maybe like some hatching just on his trapezius. Like that. Maybe some more neckline just here. And abs. So ab lines just running down like a top to it there. Maybe like an armpit line or something in here. I'll just erase that line. It's annoying me. Right, and so like that. And if you want like scratches and dirt, you know, if he's been fighting especially, which I think he has when in this fan anime. And then he's got an aura, so it's quite tight to his body, and it's one of these real fast ones. Like, it's real loopy and real tight to his body, glowing sort of white and yellow. It looks like a purple on the outside. So that, you can have some like aura stuff kind of floating off. Right, but I think that'll do. How to draw Ultra Vegito Immortal or Full Power form. Not sure what the official name will be. But there you go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.